What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Cardano because this coin is for the past couple of hours pumping absolutely like crazy. We had here a pump around 100% in just 7 days, which is super bullish. So in this video I will show you the exact prices that I think this coin is gonna hit in the upcoming days, and also I will show you the exact setups that I'm currently watching here. So if you are interested about that, definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 12-hour chart. Right now we are testing this first important resistance area, which is this bearish order block. This bearish order block is between level 0.6707 and 0.6502. You can see that historically this is like a really important resistance, and we were under this area for about 228 days, something like that. So if there will be breakout with a support confirmation, I will expect here another pump which can lead into a long trade. Definitely wait here for that support confirmation and do not buy the breakout itself, because if there will be just a breakout without the support confirmation, it will be most likely a fake out, which means that the price will continue down. But if there will be a support confirmation, then the exact trade can look, for example, like this. Stop loss in this case you want to place under this bearish order block, and because this bearish order block is such a small area, it will give you a stop loss around like 4%. Your last take profit targets you can then place, for example, under this bearish order block, also on the 12-hour chart, which is this previous important high, and this bearish order block is between level 0.9057 and 0.8570. Of course, if you want, you can aim here for higher take profit targets, because I think, because we have here like such a huge bullish volume, Cardano is definitely in the current bull market is gonna definitely hit a higher prices. So let's say main take profit target can be, for example, something like this, something under like $2 mark, which can give you a potential risk to reward like 50, which is absolutely crazy. So with a trade like this, you of course want to have a bigger stop loss, but for a trade like this you can use like this bearish order block. If there will be breakout and then support confirmation of this area, you can open here another long trade. But with this exact trade you also need to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to take like under this bearish order block, which is between level 0.7767 and 0.7321. So yeah, some of the profits you will take under this level, then under this area, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. The reason why I am taking my last take profit target above this area is that if we are gonna test it, there is pretty high probability that we are just gonna take a liquidity above, and then the market can reverse back down. That's also the main reason why I am waiting here for a support confirmation, because I am expecting here a liquidity grab, which means that we will take important liquidity above this previous high. So in the end, this trade can give you potential risk to reward like from 9. The risk reward ratio, if you will take multiple take profit targets, it will be like 6.5, something like that, which is in my opinion a really great long scenario. Another chart that you need to watch is a weekly time frame, because here we are testing this bearish order block. This massive resistance area is between level 0.8106 and 0.6350. So to open here a long position on a weekly time frame, there needs to be a support confirmation in this area. So let's assume the stop loss will be, for example, like somewhere in between. Then your stop loss you want to place again under this area, because if there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down. So you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. Your last take profit targets you can again place under $2 mark, which I think Cardano is gonna hit in the upcoming bull market. Of course, we can hit like the current all-time high, but in my opinion, there is still actually not that high probability that we are gonna hit that. So I think like $2 mark can be a good last take profit target, which will give you on a weekly time frame potential trade with risk reward ratio up to 16.36, which is absolutely insane. Again, you want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you want to take above this previous high, which of course after you are taking some of the profits, you want to move your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can turn your profitable position into a loss. And also after we will take liquidity above, there is still pretty high probability that we can just swipe the liquidity and then the market can reverse back down. Then some of the profits you definitely want to take under and above the second bearish order block, because for example in this whole area we have almost zero liquidity, so for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to reach this bearish order block. This order block is between levels 1.25 and 1.109. Then for example under like 1.4, 1.6, 1.8, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So from a risk reward ratio like 16.36, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 11, 12, something like that, which is another absolutely amazing setup that you can currently take on this bullish coin. Because if we will take a look on the, let's say, longer time frame, you can see that from this current all-time high we are still down around like 81%, so there is definitely a room for some pump. If you want to take here some trading positions on a lower time frame, then for example you can trade here like this bearish order block area, which is quite similar with this order block on a 12-hour chart, but yeah, on the 4-hour chart this is just a huge area. So I would recommend you to trade this breakout and then support confirmation on the 12-hour chart that I showed you. But here, if we will see here a dump which will have around like 27-26%, then I will trade here a liquidity grab under this area and then a support confirmation. The exact trade can then look for example like this. So entry will be somewhere in this bullish order block. Stop loss in this case you want to place under the low debt, so we will create during the fake out, and last take profit target above this bearish order block area, which will give you a potential trade with risk reward ratio 12.6. So even if you will take multiple take profit targets, this can be another absolutely amazing trade that you can take on this coin. In my opinion, this pump on this coin is definitely far from over. If we are gonna retest this area, I will be definitely thinking here about a potential long trade, and also if this coin will continue with its pump, because as I showed you in the long-term perspective, it's still really undervalued. I will be opening a long position, for example, in this area, or if the condition on a weekly time frame will be met, I will be probably also thinking about this long trade. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. If you want to know about the exact trades that I'm doing, or if you for example want to know about the exact coins that I'm watching right now, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing these types of analysis every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.